Hello students, today we will discuss about the auction scene and discuss its importance in Candida. Okay. George Bernard Shaw believed that the words are far more impressive weapons and throwing chairs on the stage. That is the reason that his plays have little action in them, but he emphasized on discussion and argument which spell winds the audience and they get lost in the long impressive dialogues. Okay. It is sometimes observed that he leaves the situation and characters free to decide the end. Dialogues drives the story ahead in words of Professor Marriott thoughts can his like bullets and worldly battle can be far more exciting than having chairs thrown around the stage. Okay. George Bernard Shaw Candida's is more struggle for feminine individually in the male dominated society, yet much importance in the play is given to Candida. Therefore, the play becomes female dominated drama. Shaw was himself a very interesting personality, which reflects in his plays. None of the scenes from his plays can be dismissed as uninteresting. In Candida alone, there is a chain of interesting scenes which does not let the audience move away. Auction scene is a link of that chain which becomes the backbone of the play. The auction scene is the base of Candida's popularity. Candida is a triangle love story. Morel and Candida are leading a very happy married life. What Marjoribanks envisages in their conjugal castle, he disturbs the peace of the family and claims Candida's love. Okay, the auction scene. The auction scene is basically a foundation stone that wears the popularity of the play among readers. It brings complicated and decisive stage that leaves audience in an undetectable position and decisive stage that leaves audience in an this situation creates audience curiosity about climax. Marjoribanks has revealed his love for Candida and Morel is demoralized with his intentions. He is afraid of losing his beloved wife Candida, restless. Morel is prepared mentally to face the separation due to Candida's inclination towards Marjoribanks. Candida is much depressed to know that she is being treated like an asset to be used for auction. She asked Morel and Marjoribanks to bid for her both bid according to their present condition. This helps Candida in reaching final decision and opts for her husband. Shaven plays are much talkative and less active. George Bernard Shaw depicts a battle of words instead of the battle of action. This quality of Shavian plays has been much criticized by nature. George Bernard Shaw was himself much talkative person. The battle of words is much more impressive and profound than the battle of action. It leaves an indelible and everlasting impression upon the audience. Sometimes the dialogues are more important than the play. The impressive dialogues create interesting scenes that also become an undivided pair of the story. Shaw is the Procreant of memorable scenes, the auction scene in Candida is one of such scenes that has its own important significance in the entire English literature. The auction scene in Candida is the result of the infatuated foolishness of Eugene Marchbanks, whose irrational instinct aspired to Candida away from her long-time spouse. Candida is a faithful and devoted wife of James Morel, a socialist. Both are enjoying their conjugal life, till it is disturbed by Eugene's irrationality when he clearly confesses his love for Candida in the first act. He says to Morel, "I love your wife." This confession is the foundation of auction scene, which occurred in the third act. The peace of Morel's mind is snatched away that appears to increase in the second act and culminates in the third act. Eugene's confession is sustained by the affection for him shown by Candida. Candida's words have deep effect on Morel that he feels restless. His family and conjugal affection seems to shatter. Candida aspires to pacify in the following words: "Do you mind what is said by a foolish boy? Because I said something like it in jest." She further says, "Ah, James, how little you understand me to talk of your confidence in my goodness and purity. I would give them both to poor Eugene as willingly as I would give my soul to a beggar dying of a cold. If there were nothing else to restrain me, put your trust in my love for you, James, for if that went, I should care very little for your sermons, more perhaps that you cheat yourself and others with every day." Candida's words fail to console Morel, and his answer shapes the auction scene. He says the foolish boy can speak with the inspiration of a child and the cunning of a serpent. He has claimed that you belong to him and not to me, and rightly or wrongly. I have come to fear that it may be true. I will not go about torture with doubts and suspicion. I will not live with you and keep a secret from you. I will not suffer the intolerable degradation of jealousy. We have agreed, he and either you shall choose between us now. I wait your decision." She senses that she is up for auction, so she asks both of them to bid for her. This entire situation creates the curiosity of the audience to know what will be happen now. Morel bids, "I have nothing to offer you but my strength for your defense, my honesty for your surety, my ability and industry for your livelihood, and my authority and position for your dignity. That is all it becomes a man to offer to a woman." Eugene bids, "My weakness, my desolation, my heart's need." Now the entire focus falls on Candida for her final decision, but her words create much confusion. When he says, "I give myself to the weaker of the two," her verdict seems to be in favor of Eugene. But her next statement clears doubts. She compares the conditions of both and thinks that Eugene is a deserter. There will be no effect on Eugene if he is rejected by her, but Morel needs his wife at every step of life. Even for preparing his speech, he needs Candida's help. She lays her check fondly against Morel to kiss. This indicates that Morel has won Candida. Morel says, "It is all true, every word that I am you have made me with the labor of your hands and the love of your heart. You are my wife, my mother, my sisters. You are the sum of all loving care to me. Accepting Candida's decision, Eugene goes out. Model embraces Candida. The auction scene ends with the end of the play. This scene is remarkable for its novelty and unexpected twist in the general traditional story of triangle love affair. Shaw handled the through situation masterfully. Sometimes the dramas are recognized and known for their significant scenes, like Romeo and Juliet for its balcony scene, Macbeth for its banquet scene, Macbeth for its sleepwalking scene, against Macbeth for its dagger scene. Hamlet for its ghost scene, and Sheridan's School for Scandal for its screen scene. The auction scene in Candida brings out the Shavian hour of demonstration. The auction scene in Candida is important for many reasons which have shaped the final end of the drama. This is the only scene in the entire drama responsible for Candida's success. This auction scene is not only a scene but a decisive stage which clears all the doubts. It would not be wrong to say that the very scene is like a zephyr which refreshes the entire atmosphere after yearly.